Hi friends, I am Shoykot Hassan from Bangladesh, and in this video I have to talk about the iPhone 16 Pro and 16 Pro Max. What is this that we are looking at here? Yes, a lot of you guys are asking what is Apple thinking. One of the latest rumors over on X from a reliable source has posted that Apple is working on a redesign for the camera modules for the upcoming Pro models. Now, based on the information obtained by this source, the new iPhone 16 Pro will have a new design for the camera modules. This should look very similar to what Apple is currently testing. Now, keep in mind, testing obviously Apple is in early stage of developing this product, and there's a rumor that Apple is working on a dedicated button, physical button, to be coming to the iPhone 16 and 16 Pro for special videos. So a button that you can press on your iPhone to capture 3D video for viewing on Vision Pro. That is one of the rumors for the hardware design. However, this new rumor indicates that Apple is working on a new camera module design. Now, after looking at those images and information over on X, I thought there was some information lost in translation. So, I wanted to wait for an update from the source, and we did get an update. Basically, the update says that this information is basically the safe zone for the sensor in the camera modules. Now, if Apple was to design a triangle camera modules, it just wouldn't go with the aesthetics of the design of the iPhone. I don't believe they are going to do this. What I think is happening here is that is the safe zone for the actual sensor to go. That doesn't mean that the actual model will change from a square shape to a triangle, and that is what it appears to be the case here. Some information got lost in translation, because if we take a look at some of the concepts put together for a triangle camera modules, those look hideous. I would never buy an iPhone that would look like this. So friends, this was today's video. If you liked the video, then subscribe the channel and see you in the next video.